Thank you so much for being present here. This is an awesome gathering we have over here, ladies and gentlemen. The conference is all set and we are also ready. I look around the stage and I see this collective experience sitting over here and I am in awe with it. Really loving it a lot. Let me tell you, we are very, very pleased, seeing all of you sitting over here. Around 300 plus of you have registered for this conference from all over India and even outside. So I, Pooja Gulati Raut, on behalf of this APGI community, welcome you all to this conference. But I shouldn't be the only one welcoming you. You should also welcome your colleagues and your seniors who have come from so far off and sitting here in our city, Pune, attending this conference, isn't it? Yeah? Okay, so let's hear it for a sociable welcome. I request you all to please stand up for just a minute. Please, thank you. Now, on a count of 3, we will welcome all our peers, all our seniors who have come from so far off places. What we would say, welcome to the conference. Yeah? Welcome to the conference. It has to be loud. It has to be very, very enthusiastic as well. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to the conference.
Thank you so very much. There are no more strangers here, only friends we are going to meet now. Thanks a lot for the support. You may please take your seats. We are also very, very thankful to all the guests who have come from so far off places, could find time amidst their busy schedules to magnify and dignify this conference here in Pune. Many of you have also changed your existing schedules or even cancelled those appointments to find time to render appreciation and stimulation to the conference. Thanks a lot once again to all of you. That you have traveled so far off places, it reminds how important this APGI is to all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, these 2 days are going to be very, very important. In fact, an opportune time for all of us to network, to learn from these thought leaders who are present over here, to talk to them about our existing challenges that we face at work, and of course, do more and more of networking. You have to renew your contacts here during the conference. It's also gratifying to note that the agenda of the conference, it covers many topics around Agile, and that has already been shared with you in the goodie bags. Not taking much of your time, I now welcome the founders of this conference, Vijay Ware and Manjunath, to talk to you more in details about what APGI is, how it started, what is the vision, what is the mission, and how we are going to perform during these 2 days. It's really a pleasure seeing all of you over here. Thanks a lot. Over to Vijay.
Good morning, all. Hungry? We didn't provide you breakfast, right? Probably, maybe that's one thing that will change next year. That's already planned. So, Agile Practitioners Group of India, this is how we started 3 years back. Started with 3 people, and there is an interest to start this APGI now in Spain, in South Africa, in UK, and many cities in India. So, we are thinking of changing that Agile Practitioners Group of India to Agile Practitioners Group International. And that's how we are actually going. We started with 3 people. And yes, vision is only one. Everyone is leader. Along with everyone is volunteer, including me, including he. We are just the founder members. And there are few people standing there. Everybody is absolutely important. Everybody does all the work. Our volunteers are a little different volunteers. We have redefined the word called volunteer. It really feels. Sorry, please.
Okay. Thanks, Vijay. So as Vijay was saying, journey started 3 years ago when we were attending a lot of meetups and sessions, and we saw that more than a knowledge sharing, we used to get bombarded with a lot of sales pitch. So we were thinking like, so what are we here? Is it for sales meet or is it for exchanging some knowledge or wisdom? So then we said, okay, why don't we have a group of practitioners whose whole motto is to come together, learn each other, and share from their experiences. That's where we got started, and now we are. This is all because of you.
Yeah. I was telling what is volunteer. The new definition for volunteer is in APGI is the volunteer who pays for their own conference. All our volunteers are paying for this conference. All our volunteers are taking leaves from their offices and running across to find the best vendor in this Pune, to get the best value for money. And people are taking 2 to 3 days leaves. People are taking sometimes working day and night for this particular conference to happen. So we are really, really different that wise. And that's what he was telling. And thank you so much, all the volunteers. You are all leader and we are all leaders. And that's what we want to bring in. Thank you so much, guys. I mean, it's really emotional moment for us. And sometimes what happens, some of our best volunteers last year, we tend to lose them. How we tend to lose them? This guy shifted to Bangalore, promoted. Another guy shifted to UK, promoted. Another guy shifted to South Africa, promoted. Another guy shifted to Belgium, promoted. So there's a lot of things happening. So people who come to us as volunteers, kind of, they're getting promoted or moving somewhere else. So please, please. Okay, and we are also promoted this time. Thanks to our title sponsors, Exin, here is Ademar coming from all the way from Netherlands, and Namrata. Yeah, so first time we have these bigger sponsors. Yeah, thank you. You have the stage there and you would be sitting, you can just talk to them and you get some goodies or something like that. We also have Sirajuddin, thanks to Temenos, they are our title sponsors. Yeah, and I always say that we need to find out some good people. And I always get, if I find one, I always get 3. Last conference we got 3, and this conference we have around 9 people, so it's multiplying. So some of them are actually here. So yes, a truly agile group. So good morning, I want to say. Good morning, India.
Good morning, USA.
USA. Good morning. It's not working.
Netherlands. Yeah.
Netherlands. Whoa. Oh. Good morning, Japan. I think Japan isn't there today or not joined yet, but yes, good morning, Japan. Good morning, UK. May not be there today, but tomorrow. Yeah? Okay, so many things. Good morning, Pune. Woo!
Bangalore, Delhi.
Delhi, Ahmedabad, Bangalore. And okay, Hyderabad, Chennai, Nagpur, San Francisco, and so many cities. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I believe in one thing. Go as far as you can see, and when you get there, you will be able to see further. Why this happens is, earlier, when we started this particular group, we started with 3. One day we had this meetup, we called for a meetup. We were not knowing anything about what the hell is meetup actually. We bought samosas and all the goodies for 40 people, and we were 4. And I believe that was one of the best meetup we ever had. We learned a lot, and that's how those feedback we actually took forward. And today, we are here. We are at APGI 2.0. Okay, this is how we grew. Some of the companies, they welcomed us. Please come to our campuses. You are really good, and please help our people. And that's how it started. Somebody came and said, thinking beyond, can we have our own conference? I said, maybe, but we do not have really experience. We do not have money. We do not have people. We do not have workforce. How do we do it? People said, we'll do conference maybe a very small scale. Just the motivation is giving value to people and nothing. So I said, okay, let's do it. Let's try it. And this is what was 2017. We were expecting just 100 people, and we had to stop the registration at 220. Still we had more than 220 people because they came here and they paid, and that's how we started. And again, we are here at 2.0. As I told you, world is full of gentlemen. You find one and you'll get many. So there are, okay. Yeah, okay. So there are so many people who are actually sponsoring us, helping us in so many ways. Yeah, so Manju, please tell the floor plan.
Okay, so this is about today and tomorrow plan. So we have on the ground floor, these three are Maratha halls, or we call it as a Grand Maratha. So after the tea break, so all of you would have got a hard copy of agenda in your goodie bags. Please refer to it. So you'll have a detailed agenda laid out. So the ground floor is going to be split into three parts. The Maratha one, we are going to have the common sessions, we have some fun-filled event planned, like a quiz and crack an interview, coaching clinic, so stuff like that. We'll cover it in a while. So that is going to happen in Maratha 1, the common hall. And the other two is going to be Maratha 2 and 3. And in first floor, we have Peshwa 1 and Peshwa 2, where the other two tracks is going to be presented. So this is a snapshot of agenda. So you might be having a hard copy with you. Please refer to that. And in fact, we also emailed the soft copy for you. Okay, so we believe in Inspect Adapt. So what we have, it's again a suggestion from our last year conference that we need to seek feedback for each of the sessions, so that some of the speakers were really interested to know how their session went and what is that they can do it. So this time we have a sponsor who agreed to give us a portal where we can capture this feedback. So my request is, for each session, as soon as you are done, please go to this myrapport.com. Please make a note of this, www.myrapport.com. So you can use your smartphone, open in the browser, and you need to give your name and click the event. So you will see APGI 2018, and under that you will find sessions. So you will find track. Track will be in terms of Peshwa 1, Peshwa 2, Maratha 2, Maratha 3, like that. And for each session, you will be able to see the name of the session, and you have an option to give the feedback. Please do it. Our request is to make maximum use of it, so it will help us in the continuous improvement. And also towards the end of the day, so we also have a day one feedback form. You will use the same site. You will see the day one and day two feedback. So please do provide that.
Yeah, and we'll also give you prizes for the best feedback. Best doesn't mean good feedback. The feedback which help us improve. You helped us a lot. Last year we have improved a lot. That's what we feel. But still there is a scope of improvement, and we would like to move on. So please help us with feedback. Best, bad, every feedback, whichever help us in improve, will be prized. We will give you certain goodies, some of the books maybe. Yeah.
One more back. Right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So as we said, we believe in having fun, at the same time learn from it. So we have a lot of events lined up, apart from wonderful speakers and sessions and workshop being planned. We also have test your agile knowledge, so we have agile quiz and puzzles, so which will be lined up in the common hall where we are having this podium. We also have crack an interview and coaching corner. So more details are there in the agenda. So we are going to have boards lined up where you can come and register yourself who would be interested to take an interview, as well as somebody wants to get coached from eminent senior coaches what we have in the presence. So make use of it. And we also have a Twitter competition. So you can use hashtag APGI 2018. So whosoever gets or does the maximum tweeting and gets the response, we have a special goodie for that. So make use of it. Also make us presence in our YouTube channels, LinkedIn, Facebook. So whosoever gets that maximum, in terms of social media attention and liking, so there is a special goodies for those people, which will be announced in the evening.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is a surprise which is planned.
Yeah.
So we are planning for a video competition. So the expectation is that you can form a quick Scrum team. So out of all the people attending here, it could be your known contacts, or you want to make new friends and have a team. Make a small video, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or maximum 5 minutes. Could be anything theme related to Agile and this conference. So make a video, and you can send a link to agilepgindia@gmail.com. You can upload it on a Google Drive or whatever the way you want, and ensure to drop an email to this. And towards the end of today as well as tomorrow, we are going to announce some special winners. Is it clear?
And yes. This is something different. Crack an interview. Why we added this is many a times people come to me and complain or say that I go for an interview to any company and they say that ask some XYZ questions, and then at the end of the day they say our HR will get back to you. So where's the feedback? We should get some feedback, right? Generally this happens. I'm not saying that everybody does that. So what we have planned is we have some of the best interviewers in the industry sitting in this room post this closure, and you can come there, you can volunteer yourself, and what they will do is they will interview you for 15 minutes. In between that 15 minutes, they will tell you where is the area you should improve, where is the area you are really, really great. So that is the way you can actually crack interviews. So yeah, some of the HR folks, some of the interviewers, they might be here. So, and it is absolutely informal. You're not getting job out of it. So yeah. So it's just a help. It's a feedback. Yeah.
Let me put it this way, Vijay, if the guy is good, I'll hire.
Okay.
One offer, I'll hire.
Theodore,
Yes. Spring-
are you going to make some statement? Springer Nature, ZBA is making some statement. If the guy is good, they're going to hire. But anyways, please feel free. Yeah, please feel free. Yeah. Next.
So, I have some more logistic announcement. So, lunch will be served on both the floors. So, feel free wherever you find a space and enjoy the lunch. The tea and coffee break, it's going to be served only on the ground floor. So, please make a note of it. And we have something special this year. We have a selfie station. When you are posting on Twitter or social medias, ensure to take your snap with our selfie stand, APGA selfie stand. Yeah, that's it. And
Okay.
Enjoy the conference.
And again, additional sponsors, we're going to thank them. Siemens, Exin, Temenos, Springer Nature, Good Agile, Meta Design, Agile Waters, C-Zone from last year, and they helped us a lot because Meta Design is with them. And then Agile Alliance. Nobody's here, but they helped from US. Thanks for them. Okay. Thank you so much. And here is a special announcement, very, very special, and would like to thank a lady here who has done a tremendous job. It's a humongous job. Let Pooja announce it.
Thank you so much for this welcome note, Vijay and Manju. Now, an interesting ceremony is going to take place now. There is going to be a book launch. The book has been written by Urmila Kandha
Please be
on
there.
agile transformation,
I
and I would request Siraj, I would also request Tathagat Verma, Adimar, and also Sunil Mundra to come over to the stage and then do this book launch. I would also request Urmila to come, post this book launch, she can say few words about this
Yeah.
book.
Would like to add
Please.
Dan too.
All right.
Please.
I'm sorry.
Please help.
Dan too,
Please
please.
help launch the book. Yeah. Yeah. Come to the stage, please. Yeah. Maybe there. So this lady, Urmila, has done a tremendous job. Writing a book is not this thing, and that too on transformation with her, experience. So thank you, Urmila.
There are too many men on this stage.
Yes, please. Namrata, please join them. Sharmila, please. Tandon, ma'am. You there? Yeah, please.
Are you
Yes, please. You would like everyone to be here? Okay. Yeah, Dad and Mom, please. It's a tremendous honor to have you here. Yeah, please. maybe can open the book. Yeah? Yes, yes. That makes sense.